BTMS Manila, Bridge Master 5.
Mabanti siya, no?
Master 5, arrival.
Okay, ingit.
Fireball sir, 0602, hotel over.
Copy 0602, standby.
Okay, okay.
Yes sir.
Aw.
Tugo, Maligaya, Harbor, Ita, air.
Okay.
Tugo, Maligaya, Harbor Tag, Ita. Tugo, Maligaya, Harbor. PO, Solid Harmony.
Diligence is northbound.
O, Solid Harmony.
Diligence is
Peter Size,
is 17.
Manila.
17.
Good morning, ladies and
Tugo,
gentlemen.
Maligaya,
Welcome aboard the The master, officers and crew wish
PO, Solid Harmony.
Solid Harmony, PO 13.
Entry.
Experience and above all a safe one. In command of this vessel is Captain
Tugo, Maligaya, Harbor.
Officer Jason Dantes and Chief Engineer Ervin Villegas.
Okay.
Please make yourself comfortable.
Tugo, Maligaya, Maligaya, Harbor.
Feel free to hold the attention of your cabin attendants if you need assistance. Your cabin attendants are Hazel Rapada and Marjorie Cueto.
Score, Solid Harmony.
Section.
Don Daniel, northbound.
Northport, go ahead.
Daniel, anong 17 tayo, sir?
Go sir, 17.
Score, Solid Harmony.
Dear valued passengers, a quick reminder for those
Score, Solid Harmony.
sa the CCP Port Parking
SL Big na ay Panaba, Harbor 2.
Parking ticket from the parking attendant.
TMX Manila,
To exit
Felicity.
the parking area upon your return.
SL Banaba, Harbor 2.
For 5 a.m.
Harbor 2, Banaba. 17.
Your parking ticket.
Score, Solid Harmony. Is Manila, Felicity.
Indicated in your booking confirmation. So please check your confirmation email for reference.
Score, Solid Harmony.
Wait. Tulak man.
Manila, Felicity.
Okay, labor. Or lover. Boy.
Kustika.
Kaustika.
TMX Manila, Felicity.
Sarap siya.
Itinerary. Where are you now?
Dito. Nasa gitna siya. Tapat ng bigal.
TMX Manila, Felicity.
8814.
4. Tio,
Port to go Maligaya.
Maligaya, latest ETA.
0653 sa Neva po sir.
653.
653?
Roger po sir, 0653 sa Neva.
Sige, tawag lang. Marami akong patient movement eh. Sige, tawag lang para maano ko kung sino yung unahin ko talaga.
Okay po sir, thank you.